and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng quick and easy coconut chicken recipe. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ginamit kong chicken is boneless chicken thigh. So, ginatlaan ko na. Isi-season natin to ng salt and pepper to taste. So, continue lang natin hanggang ma-season natin lahat ng ating chicken. After natin ma-season nitong chicken, meron tayong tatlong option. Pwede nyong ihawin sa grill, or i-grill sa oven, or ipiprito itong ating chicken. So, itong ating chicken, prinito ko na lang. So, after natin maprito, we'll set this aside. Mag-proceed tayo sa ating next step. Para naman sa ating sauce, dito sa ating pan, ilalagay natin itong 1.5 cups ng Kakang Gata. Sama ko na rin itong 1/2 cup ng water. At itong ating 1 teaspoon ng sinigang mix. Itong ating 1/2 cup ng pineapple tidbits with syrup. At itong ating tanglad. Itong tanglad, pinound ko na or pinitpit yung dulo para lumabas yung flavor. So, haluin lang natin ito. Sasama ko na rin itong 2 siling haba. At isi-simmer natin to on a medium heat hanggang sa lumapit yung ating sauce. Ayan, malapot na yung ating sauce. Pwede na natin itong i-season ng pepper to taste and salt to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. And then, isasama ko na rin itong a bunch of spinach. Pwede din kayong gumamit ng kangkong or dahon ng sili. Then, isasama na natin itong naprito nating chicken or inihaw na chicken. At isi-simmer natin to for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, luto na yung ating chicken. Pwede na natin itong i-switch off at i-transfer sa ating serving bowl. And there you have it, our quick and easy coconut chicken. Best served with rice. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para laging kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.